What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. So let's jump straight into this look. Well, we already jumped into my look, but as you can tell, I don't have any eyeliner, I don't have any mascara, lashes, lip gloss, and that's because I'm going to do a how-to on doing a wing liner, because I know a lot of people always ask me, how you get it so sharp? You about to find out, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a really quick video. There's really nothing much to doing a wing liner, but just so that you get that sharp look, that's what we're gonna work on today. So I just found out that this NYX liner, let me see, it's matte liquid liner. This is bomb, y'all. Like, it works so good. I love how long it is, and then the brush is like right up in there. So let's get started.
Hey you guys, so this part is going to be a little bit of a voiceover, but as you can tell, I'm starting in the center and then I work my way to the corner, and then after that I just try and even out the liner, and then of course we'll do the same with the other side too. All right, girl, we see you, girl. Okay, brows on fleek. Okay, so onto the wing. I usually like to look straight and do my line first, because if I look to the side and do the line, it's going to curve. I don't want to curve. We're trying to get bone straight, sis. So, and then after I get my line, that's when I turn to the side and kind of just fill it in. And you know, you got to get your angles right. So you got to do what you got to do. Same with this side. You're going to flick the wrist, flick, flick, flick. There you go. Yes, girl. Then you're going to draw that wing. Yes, yes. Fill it in, sis. Yes.
All right, and sometimes you'll run into these instances where it's a little wiggly, or you have something hanging at the bottom of it. And regardless if I do or I don't, I definitely go back in and I clean it up, because you want it to look sharp. Now, if I wanted to, I could make it sharp without cleaning it up, but I ain't gonna sleep on it. Like, it's not helpful, because baby, when tufts get going, this is helpful. All right, so just be careful, take your time, be patient. Y'all, look at my skin. Appreciation. Okay, so just take your time, make sure you clean it up.
No, but seriously, you do want to make sure you take your time doing this, because you can mess up. And make sure you blend it out, girl, because you can't just have that little streak under your liner. That ain't gonna look too good. But yeah, just repeat on the same side too.
When you finish cleaning up under your liner, you want to go in with a sponge and go with this top and just kind of press it in. And be careful, don't mess up your eyeliner, because you worked long and hard for it. Don't be disrespectful to yourself. All right, everybody, and this is how you do your wing liner. And I'm really sad because I just did this whole video just to show y'all how to do a wing liner. But I mean, it's content. I'm posting something, right? I hope y'all like my look. When I got on camera the first time, my hair was all janky and ugly and shit. Oop, my bad. But you know, I need to do something. And the special occasion is my fiance's mom's birthday today. So we're going out just to have a good time. We're about to go to a hole in the wall, baby. The hole in the wall. Better keep that hole in the wall. Alrighty, you guys, make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, make sure to like, comment, show love, and follow my Instagram and Twitter, Rudy Tate with an _. And that's it. That's pretty much it. If there's something that you want to know how to do, you can always just leave it in the comments. That's about it for this video today. Thanks you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all in my next video. And remember, don't be disrespectful today. Peace out.